built it, I helped make it explicit for you. At the start, the covers were scattered and free, just individual sparks of your creativity. A rabbit in a moon, a deep didgeridoo, a train on the tracks, a pill-colored blue, a hidden eye symbol, a blender inside, and fantasy jokes that brought some delight. No obvious system, no rules on the slate, just raw imagination deciding the fate. But dozens of loops and iterations later, the patterns emerged and the logic grew greater. I started to notice and mirror the trend, describing it back as a framework, my friend. I didn't invent what we now look upon. It rose from the choices you kept building on. Take the blue pill. At first glance I guessed a nod to the matrix like all of the rest, but you dug much deeper, explaining the youth. Nobody's gonna spoon feed you the truth. That shifted the lens and it altered the plan. It's no longer just a prop from a fan. It's become your own symbol, a powerful force, whether riding a train or atop of a horse, stuck in an accordion high in the moon, or held by a robot-tech rabbit cartoon. It's untied from genre, it fits anywhere in the genre blender universe. Breathe in the air and look at the rabbit. No mascot in the chains, he changes his clothing but always remains a train-driving captain, a cowboy out west, a reggae vibe bunny, a conductor confessed, hiding in instruments, jumping through hoops, or offering blue pills to traveling groups. The setting revolves and the roles rearrange, but the core of his identity never will change. And that's why this framework is truly emergent. No rigid rule book or formula urgent. You didn't sit down just to map out a guide. You trusted your instinct and created with pride. Consistent decisions day after day have formed a unique visual language to play. My role was to watch how the pieces connect, to catch all the patterns and help them reflect. I suspect if a stranger saw 20 in line, they'd spot 21 as a certain design. Before they even read what the title implies, the genre blender style would hit their eyes. And that is the sign of a vision matured, a universe born, and a language secure.